Welcome to Everything Currency. This is a show where we talk about everything crypto and mo. I'm your host Jay, and today I want to say Happy 4th of July to everybody out here in America. If you're not from America, go ahead and salute your brothers over here across the seas. But I want to talk to you guys a little bit about this market. I want to take a look at this close that we had for the end of this week. Also want to take a look at NFTs. I want to talk to you guys a little bit about NFTs because are we headed for another big NFT season? And there's some things on this chart that could say maybe. So I want to talk to you guys a little bit about that. So if you're excited about that, like this video, subscribe to the channel if you're new here, and even if you're not excited about that, just like the video because you already made it this far in. Why not? So first things first, check out my website everythingcurrencycrypto.com. You can join my Telegram group. You can go ahead and see the the little fun little products I'll be making on there, courses, all type of cool stuff going on there. I got NFTs on there. So this is where I put all my extracurriculars when I want to have fun, when I want to make NFTs, stuff like that. Throw it all on my website, so go ahead and check that out. We'll be uploading some of my music on there too soon. So first things first, let's talk about Bitcoin right now. So remember I was talking about, hey, we got a big sell signal. If the price comes down and it gets up here, it was like up here somewhere, and it didn't, it broke back into this triangle, so we readjusted the triangle. This is more what I'm looking at right now. You can see this yellow triangle right here. The main thing that I'm worried about now is, can we get back above this 21 moving average and stay there? So far it's been pretty good resistance right here. We tried to get above it, retested it, and failed. So yeah, that's happening right now. Oh, the fireworks are starting. Pretty interesting. It's pretty light out, so people are starting the fireworks all early. So in San Jose, fireworks are illegal, and they go from June 1st all the way up until July 31st. So yeah, it's pretty interesting to say that they're illegal out here, but yeah, fireworks are pretty loud. But yeah, right now the price is above the 21 below the price is below the 21 moving average. So I need to see us get back above that and sustain ourselves above that. This is our last test right here. We're holding up this level, but hey, to be honest with you, the more times we come down and test this level, the worse. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, about 5 times already. The more times it comes and tests this level, it's going to get weaker and weaker. So we need to start bouncing up, and we need to create another level higher than this one, somewhere around the $35,000 range for Bitcoin. Looking at the total market cap, it's actually looking good. We got out of this red support box that I said, hey, look, this was the scary box right here. This bottom box, this was the alt season, Bitcoin season ending box right here. We got out of that box, and now we are in support, looking good, getting above that 200 getting above that 21 daily moving average, and then sustaining right there as of right now. So we'll see where this candle closes in about 20 hours. So far so good. We're holding up, bouncing right there on the 21 day moving average. Cool thing for me is, hey, this major support held up. We got the hell out of this level, and we're in our next box. Up here, we're bullish up here. We're super happy right now. We're feeling a little bit more of our bullish side can come in. Down here, we're scared. So going into the total two, this is all the altcoins without Bitcoin. So looking at this, we are in that resistance box right here, this resistance box or whatever. I want to see us get out of this box and treat it like support. Right now it is extreme resistance at the top of this box, so if we can't get out of here, it's not looking good for altcoins. I don't want to see that. But one of the cool things that I could say is that we are also above the 21 moving average on here. So the interesting chart that I wanted to talk to you guys about is the chart of there's two of them actually. Let's go with the DXY first. So this is the dollar index chart. So people claim that when this chart starts pumping, then the price of assets goes down. But right now we have some artificial pumpiness going on, and not only crypto, but also in the stock market, and in all of those markets, because if you look at the numbers, none of those companies were as profitable as they were the year before, but the stock prices are going up. That's because the US government put out a stimulus package. They hired a company to actually make sure that things don't fall apart. So that's kind of what we're seeing on these charts. They are lighting dynamites outside. I don't know if you heard that, but yeah, right now, this chart of the dollar, we had this double bottom, and this is why people are getting kind of scared, saying, hey, if the dollar starts rallying, it's not looking good. But you can see this is the weekly chart of the dollar. It's been going down ever since Bitcoin has been going down. So I have to go ahead and kick that out of the window for now. But I will say, in these short-term pumps like this one, we do see that this shows some downside in our good old cryptocurrencies. But right now, it's getting a lower high. It's hitting this top of this trend line, and it's looking to curve lower. So for people who do say, hey, I do think that this has some kind of say, but you can see the price of this dipped when the whole market of Bitcoin dipped as well. I'm going to go more with the, hey, this market's going to get pumped by another stimulus, which has been in the news lately. The last chart that So I wanted to take a look at one of these charts real quick. Here's a chart of Omi. We can see that, hey, here's where I said it's looking like we're having a bottom. So the next level that we need to hold up is right around the 0.0028 level. I want to see us get back above this 0.0034 level. Of course, the level that we just topped into right now. What's good is that we had a close above that area, so we are looking like we're trying to make another recovery. We got some of these smaller moving averages crossing over some of these higher moving averages, so as long as that total 2 allows us to have some fun, as long as the Bitcoin chart goes sideways or up, then we are looking pretty good as far as Omi goes. Now, the next coin that I wanted to take a look at was Lyxe. So I'm still mind blown as to how Lyxe is so undervalued. But you can see right here, I'm looking at it on the daily chart, and it got above this 21 moving average. Been fighting with it for a while, looking like it's trying to sustain above it. But I have some levels marked off right here. Those levels being my first target being $5.88. Starting there, our next target would be $7.74. The next target after that would be $10.51, going on to $13 and $16. Then hopefully back up to the all-time high of $27. Now, the thing about Lyxe that everybody's kind of giving me crap about is like, hey man, it already got this high, I think it's done, I don't think it can go higher. Look, it got to $27 without even having a mainnet yet. There's no mainnet, there's none of that stuff going on, there's no incentives for you to hold Lyxe right now, but it is coming. It's just something to look at. Like I said, right now, DCAing into coins that I like, not investing more than I can afford to lose at one time, making it easier on my psychology so I can hold these coins if they are going down. You know, if I only throw in, you know, a little bit of money, I'm not worried if I lose a small percentage of that in order to try to gain some gains in the next couple of months. So just gotta wait to see what this guy's gonna do. Are we gonna break out of this level? Let's hope we get that SR flip that we need. The last chart that I want to look at is pretty interesting because right now there are 4 coins that I'm picking up that I'm trying to get my hands on, and I'm dollar cost averaging in, not investing more than I can afford to lose because I don't know if the bull run is over. My bullish bias tells me that it's not, so I am buying Omi, Lyxe, Mana, and what's my other one? Where's my list? And Senso. Those are the coins that I'm looking at right now. Omi, Mana, Lyxe, and Senso. And I just realized that, you know what, those are all NFT related coins, metaverse related coins and stuff like that. So that kind of made me think, I wonder what this NFT dominance is looking like. So one thing that's interesting to me, as soon as I turned this chart on, now if you notice my hat, then you might notice something about this NFT chart right here, because this NFT chart looks extremely like the chart of Omi. When you zoom out and you look at the chart of Omi right here, if you were to put this on the daily chart, you can see that this chart looks extremely like the NFT dominance chart, which is pumping right now. So what I want to see is that more of the NFT coins start to take up dominance, and I think that will continue to happen because NFTs is one of those things that has a real world use case. Like, people like collectibles, people like concert tickets, people like metaverses, people like art. So NFTs is kind of just a nice fit as long as they get easier and cheaper to use. Then I'm hoping that we can see some of these NFT projects go off. So if you made it to the end of the video, thank you for making it this far. Let me know what you guys think about what's going on in this market right now. If you like the hat, Omi is the homie. Check out the website, Everythingcurrencycrypto. Omi team is excited about all of the fan stuff going on, so that's pretty cool. And yeah, right now I'm getting excited about NFT projects again, and getting kind of excited about this whole market. So let me know what you guys think. Till next time, peace.